Hi everyone, I am Ashfaq Ahmed Khan and you are watching my channel Khan Tech. Welcome to Khan Tech. In this video I am going to discuss session 5 of Unit 1 session 5, implement mail merge. What is mail merge? It is used to create a series of same document with multiple addresses. Mail merge is the process of merging the main document, letter or certificate with the mailing addresses of various persons. That is data source. There are two main documents required for mail merge. One is main document and second one is data source. A mail merge is a way to take a letter you have written and send it to a whole bunch of people, personalizing it with the information about them so that might think that you type the letter physically for them. A mail merge can be quick way to take a list of people's mailing addresses and generate labels or envelopes with the addresses for a different persons on each label or envelope. In short, it is a way to be personal yet efficient. It is essential for any person or organization that has a lot of clients, partners, parents and children or other people to communicate with. This is the advantage and the use of mail merge. We can create it once and send it to many people. Here two documents required. One is main document and the other is data source. It is we can send it very quickly to different people. Just we have to create once and send it to many people at once. The document will be the same. If you want to create a certificate or if you want to create a letter and if you want to send it to many people at a time with the mailing different addresses to different people. Here two important documents are main document and the data source. There are two documents here to implement mail merge. Here I am taking one letter. In this document are given the one letter. So I am copying this letter as it is and I am creating data source addresses of different some 8 addresses I will create to send this letter to implement the mail merge. To begin with the mail merge, we have to go to the tools. This is the letter given in this document, and I will copy this letter as it is and implement mail merge by creating the data source, that is addresses of different peoples, that is implementing mail merge. Copy this letter and paste it here in the OpenOffice Writer. Then go to the tool menu, then select mail merge. This dialog box will appear. The steps of mail merge: selecting the starting document, select starting document. Second point is select document type. Third point is insert address book. Fourth point is create salutation. Fifth point is adjust layout. Sixth point is edit document. Seventh point is personalize document. Eighth point is save, print or send. At the right side you can see use the current document, create a new document, start from existing document. If you want to select from start existing document, you have to click on browse button and choose the file. If you want to select from a template, then also you have to click on browse and choose the template. And the last option is select from a recently saved starting document. I am creating use the current document. I will use this document, use the current document. And click on next. Here you will find a letter and email. I am selecting letter and click on next. Here you have to select the addresses, create addresses, select here. We are creating data source here and click on create. There are many fields here. You don't require this many fields, so that once again click on customize. There are so many fields here. We will delete all these fields and we will use only first name, address and telephone number. Only 3 fields we will use. Click on customize and click on new. If you don't want these many fields, just select and click on delete button. Just select if you don't want the fields and click on delete. Only select three fields: first name, address 1 and private phone number. The field which you don't want, select and click on delete button. And these are the 3 fields. If you want to add or if you want to modify, then you can do that here. You can add, instead of provide mobile number, you can say just mobile. You can do that, but the problem is it will, when it is matching, it will give an error. Then we have to again set it to private phone number. Insert the records. Insert first name as Ashfaq and address is Mahdi-Patnam, and give any phone numbers. Any number of private telephone number. Just enter 78994563245 and click on new. Enter second record. Enter the first name Rahman and enter the address one Nampalli. And enter the phone number 78894562214 and click on new. And the next record is enter first name Rahim and enter address Mallepalli. And enter phone number 789456258 and click on new. Next first name, next record, first name Kareem, address 1 Karwan. Enter the mobile number 78945625458. Click on new. Enter the next record. Enter first name Shahid and address 1. Enter Ring Road and enter phone number 7895456846. Enter any number. Next record is click on new and enter first name Yusuf and address Turi Chowki. Phone number 7895456212 and click on new. Next record, enter name Alim, address Nampalli, enter phone number 797894561232. Enter any number and click on new. And the last record, enter first name Musa and the address is Attapur and the phone number is 7894561232. We have entered 8 records. you can see all the records. You can see the first record, you can jump down to last record, you can see all the record here. Click on OK and save this file. Give any name with .odt. Here we have entered, instead of private phone number, we have set it to mobile number. That is giving mismatch problem here. We have to correct it, that we have to set it to private phone number once again. Otherwise it will give an error, that is data is mismatching. Here mobile number is not there here, so it is giving mismatch error. So select the here private phone number. So that all the three fields, that is first name, address and private phone number, should match with the columns of the above. Here select mobile number, instead of mobile number select private mobile phone number. I am editing once again, that is replacing mobile number with the private phone number. Click on OK. Now all the fields are matched now. That is first name, address and private phone number. Then click on next. And the create salutation, we are not going to create any salutation here, and just click on next. and you can adjust the layout of the labels by clicking the drop down list box here. You can adjust the label and click on next. Edit document. If you want to edit the document, you can edit and you can save. All the changes were made to all the records. You can choose any color. And click on the Synchronize Document. Synchronize to mail merge, so that the changes will apply to all the records. If you want to, next step is Personalize Document. If you want to give any personal preferences out of these 8 records, if you want to give any preferences to anyone, you can give the preferences as per our required. You can choose any one record and we can modify it. Only that record will be modified and the remaining all will not be. Remaining all the records will be the same. Only if you want to change one record, we can change it and give the preferences. Here I am modifying, instead of 5 years, I am modifying it to 4 years to one record. In this way we can personalize the document. And the next step is save the document. Save as a single document, so that all the records will be visible in the single document. In this way we have created the labels, we have created the main document and the data source document and implemented the mail merge. See all the records in one file. All the 8 records are in this one file. Then click on File and click on New and click on Labels. There are 3 tabs here in the label. You can adjust the label size, font, etc. There are 2 columns and 8 rows it seems. all the addresses you can see here, labels. And if you want to modify, if you want to change the font color, and you can change it here. Suppose I will select and select changes to bold and italic and click on apply to all the records. Click at the top of the right, top of the left. This will apply to all the document. These are the labels, and save this document with the .odt extension, label.odt. Click on save. In this way we have created the labels, and we have created the main document, that is main document, and the second one is data source. These two we have implemented the mail merge. Only the thing is the labeling part and the main document. The document will be the same, only the changes are data source. You can send it to different peoples at the same time. Only we have to cut this address and paste it at the top, and the same document will be sent it to many different peoples. That is the mail merge. Within no time we can create this main document and the data source and send it to many thousands of people at the same time. Here we can adjust the label size. We can adjust the columns and rows. Here at the bottom we can select the rows and columns. We can increase and decrease the rows and columns. I am selecting 2 rows and 8 columns. You can increase and decrease the sizes of this labeling. According to your choice. And that's all about the label, that is data source. That is synchronize. Click on synchronize the document. Tick mark the synchronize checkbox. So that the changes will apply to the data source. If you want to apply some changes, it will apply to the data source. Just tick mark that box. These are the records just now we have created. Main document with the data source. These are the data source document. The record we have just now we have created 8 records. You can see this data source document. And this is Excel sheet. You will see this all these 8 records in the Excel file. Here if you have a printer, then you can directly take the printouts. I am not having any printer here. So we can save this file. Save this file to hard disk. Give the any name .odt. It is going to save in the file. This is the implementation of mail merge. Thank you for watching, and have a practice so that you can be perfect. You can understand well. If you practice, then only you can understand. Thank you for watching my video.